Hello, my name is Michael Hohauser. I wanted to take a few minutes and speak with you about the Hohauser law firm. In the first place, it's more than me. We have a number of lawyers, and they're all good people. But it does reflect my name, and I have gone to great lengths over 37 years to try and be the kind of professional of which other professionals are proud. So I wanted to talk to you without a script, without any kind of preparation, to give you an idea of what we are about and how we do things. You know, we see people on television and on the internet, and they always have a script and they always have an agenda. And I wanted to speak to you from the heart about a subject that's very important to me. And I guess one of the ways for me to do that is to share with you sort of a piece of myself. These antique microscopes and other scientific antiques are part of the motif that we have used here, at least in my office, at our law firm. But they all mean something to us. And I will just give you one for instance. This particular instrument, this is a medical microscope of, 1840, 1870 vintage. The interesting thing about this microscope is that it actually belonged to the physician who had the last stop on the Underground Railroad at the time of the American Civil War. So that when you hold this instrument, you are holding in your hands something that was employed for human health by a person of science who not only talked the talk but walked the walk. That individual helped people in slavery to escape that slavery to freedom in Canada. He put his treasure and his life on the line as a humanitarian and as a man of science for those less fortunate individuals. I was actually able to find this instrument at an auction many years ago. I wouldn't sell it for $1 million. Each of the microscopes here represent different uh, health science or biological science um, advance or specialty. But this one is the one that means the most to me because it combines the ideals of humanitarianism and science that we truly try to embody at the Hohauser law firm. And each of my young lawyers who have been with me, and Sarah has been with me for over 10 years, have been trained to appreciate those values and to apply them to everything we do. We handle every case with an understanding of the science, the engineering that is required to explain why our clients should prevail. That emphasis on understanding is what has helped us to prevail in virtually every case we have undertaken in the last 15 years. I like to tell our young people and the medical malpractice classes that I teach periodically that we win our cases with intellectual firepower as opposed to histrionics. I think that if you take the time to study us, study our attorneys, and the many successes we have had, that you will find we are a firm that can help you, and it will be our pleasure to do so. Thank you.